All right, today is Zippo Saturday, and I'm going to be taking a look at a really nice Armor Zippo. This is the one. This is an Armor Zippo with that nice mother of pearl inlay. The Armor Zippos are a little bit bigger, and they can carve into them. It's got some really nice carving on the back. It says Zippo, time is money. All this is really heavily carved on top and all around. Pretty nice one. And it is like I said, it's an Armor Zippo made in H of 21. H, I think, is August. And it says Bradford, PA, made in USA. Stampings are kind of out of focus a little bit, especially the Armor. Let's take a look at that Armor stamping right there. It's kind of blurry. I'll show you the difference between this one and a really good one, a good stamping. The one on the bottom, the Armor stamp in the lower right, is really good, crisp. And the one on the clock face, it's not really a mistake. I wouldn't really call it a mistake. I would just call it imperfection. That little Armor stamping. But this one is really nice. It's got the gold or brass colored steel insert. Steel insert lights up real nice. Let's do a drop test real quick. So it passed the drop test, and it's got a really good sound. It's a pretty nice one. It's probably in my top 20 in my collection. It's a good Zippo, and definitely, being made in the USA, deserves just a little cowbell. Oh, this one's a deep carved Armor also, but we'll do that another time. Let's have some cowbell here. Knuckle bump.